Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Subaru Outback. First, gather your safety gear, including gloves and eye protection, to ensure a safe process. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin any connections. Position the donor vehicle close enough so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries, but ensure the vehicles are not touching each other. Now, let's connect the cables. Take one red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your dead Subaru Outback battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Finally, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. For the final connection, take the remaining black negative clamp and attach it to an unpainted metal surface on your Subaru Outback, away from the battery. This provides a good ground. Now, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge your battery. After this, try starting your Subaru Outback. Once your Subaru Outback starts, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. Remove them in the exact reverse order of how you connected them, starting with the negative clamp from your Outback's metal surface. Allow your Outback to run for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge its battery. For more helpful tips and great deals, like on the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below for links and other offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.